by doing a staff roll or two. You know we call that the avalanche maneuver. Series of loops on top of a roll. Now, recovering out of that, retreating from right to left. You'll be setting up for a rolling reverse. Rolling to the vertical. Watch the law take over. The law graphic. There is a great graphic description of what we call the hammerhead turnaround, or what's the word you call it? I'm not a plane lover anyway. Now, the best coating for everything in longevity. This is called the torch eagle. The smoke goes off deliberately. Dan McClung continues to torch the airplane while backing it up, while getting faster, while looking at that altimeter, and recovers out of the torch eagle into a down back without hitting. Give Dan McClung a big round of applause for the torch eagle. Ooh, that one will get your heart going. Grueling work inside of the cockpit.